Okay, so we're back at the shop. Rubicon shock update. I put the bushings in about 6 weeks ago. That got rid of the noise, but we started to get some leakage on the shocks. So all 4 shocks are starting to leak oil, and let's see, they're gonna make a pretty good puddle. So I talked to my sales guy and we discussed going with these new Bilsteins. This is the rears, part number, front shocks part number for Bilstein. So as a final review, we're going to put these Bilsteins in, and we'll try them. They're an upgrade, about twice the value of the Rubicon shocks that we put on with the kit. So yeah, I'm going to say that these Rubicon shocks don't really like the cold weather up here in Canada, so -40, -20 degree weather. The bushings don't last, and they start to leak after one good cold winter. So we're going to upgrade to these Bilsteins and give that a shot, and hopefully we get better life out of them. You need an 18mm wrench, 18mm socket, that's the old shock out. See, oil collecting dust already. Oil stained.
You already explained why they failed. Not built for Canadian weather.
So I'm hoping these Bilsteins are a match. They're an inverted shock. That looks good there. That looks good down at the bottom. They're a little bit shorter shock, so they say they're supposed to be okay with a 2.5-inch, 3-inch lift. So we'll give them a try. So what you want to do is measure your shock, take a couple of zip ties and preset your length so it's held in place, because these shocks are pretty heavy duty to press up into place.
I did.
Are you sure?
Yes.
So I got the back shocked off. You can see they're really leaking bad. And do a compression test here. And no return. I'm pressing with 2 fingers. So yeah, I would skip getting these shocks in the kit. As mentioned before, the bushings, once I replace, they seem to do a good job. They're fitting nice, but they definitely don't like the cold weather. The shocks lasted like 6 weeks and then they're leaked right out and no charge whatsoever. So I recommend save your money, go with the better shocks, or try these Bilsteins I'm putting on, and we'll see how that works. But hopefully we get more than a year out of them. All right.
So this is what we do during an epidemic and things are shut in. We come over to the shop and we work on our Jeep. Put new shocks on them. Yeah. Hey, fun. Hey, Dad. This is what we do during a pandemic, hey?
Do warranty on shocks.
But we are self-isolating though. We haven't been around people, so we're good. Be our own mechanics, having fun. Staying safe, not isolating from each other. It's all good. This looks like another shock that's really messed up. Well, gotta bend things back into place after the Rubicon, I guess, hey?
Just to get the new shock.
Things are pretty messed up there. Really don't like our cold winters at all. Bend our bumper back a little bit. Or muffler, sorry.
Another shock. No return rate. Toast.
Garbage. So you're better off just spending your money on a little bit better shock that's designed for the Canadian winters, the cold.
So our update is that the springs And link kits are all good on this Rubicon kit, but the shocks that they send with the mid-price kit are not very well for the Canadian area. So save your money, get the better shocks, even the ones that come in the next kit, or some Bilsteins or something else you want to try. So signing off for now. Check out Steel Horse Stories on our channel for many more videos to come.
We love you guys. We love family, friends. Enjoy our adventures together at Steel Horse Stories. And we're just signing off for now. Enjoy life. Love you guys.